Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to unlock Bluetooth on your Samsung Smart TV, especially if it's not showing up in the settings by default. First thing first, let's check the regular setting menu just to check if the Bluetooth is there. Okay. Alright, this is it, but as expected, it's not here. So here is what to do. Pick up your Samsung remote and press this sequence: mute 119 and enter, like that. You press the mute 119 and enter. This will bring up the hospitality mode. And now to go deeper into the service menu, so you need to press this 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5 on your remote, just like that. Once you are in, select options, then you scroll down to MRT settings, MRT option rather, MRT option. Now inside this menu you will see something like Bluetooth support. Locate Bluetooth support, that is the BT support. You see within BT support. Okay, this is it. Click on it and turn it on. Make sure it's on. That is it. Now, power off your TV. Wait for a few seconds and turn it on back. Okay? Now go back into the settings. You will now see the Bluetooth option available. From here, you can now connect to any Bluetooth speaker or device you want. Super easy, right? If this video helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more tech tips, and leave a comment if you run into any issue. I've got you. Thanks for watching.